Lot 182, the 1973 Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 Touring. In typical Porsche fashion, the secret to this legendary Porsche success was weight reduction made it to performance increases. In this case, an enlarged 2.7-liter engine, improved suspension, and a curb weight of only about 2,300 pounds. This one is absolutely terrific. Its matching numbers were restored to award-winning standards in an India red, which it wore new, and as you see it today.
And it's a car that we know very, very well. We've known it for a long time, haven't we, Alan? It's an old friend of ours, I would like to say. Ladies and gentlemen, what should we say? Let's open the bidding here at $300,000. Lots of interest from overseas as well. Est-ce que tu veux commencer avec moi? 300 000, Clément? 300 000 merci. I've got $300,000 bid from France here. Thank you very much. At 300. At 300, do I have 350,000 now? 350. I've taken 350 on the aisle, but I take 400 from you, sir. 400, much obliged, I'm sorry, two people bidding at the same time. At 400, and à 400 000 contre toi, est-ce que j'ai 450 000? 450 000. I have 450,000 from France. Do I have 500 from you, sir? 500 I've taken here. I'm just taking this gentleman's bid. How about 550, sir? 550. Is that a yes or no, or maybe? That's a yes. Thank you, sir. At $550,000. Do I have $600,000? Est-ce que j'ai 600 000? Either of you gentlemen. $600,000 I have here on my left at 600. Do I have 650 now on the 911 RS? At $600,000, so the bid's here, you're out on my right, et c'est plus avec toi derrière, on est à $600,000. 650 000, merci. I have 650,000 from France. Do I have 700? For either of you gentlemen. 700 on the telephone. I've got 650 bid in the room already. Would you like to go forwards, not stand still? One of those things at auction. Do I have 700,000? From either of you gentlemen. On est à 650 contre toi, avec toi, excuse-moi. At 650, you're out on the telephone and you're out here in front of me. 675, absolutely. 675. Do I have 700 for either of you three? At 675 against you gentlemen, the bid is on the telephone. C'est 775 000, c'est contre toi. At $675,000 then I have the bid on the phone. At $675,000 now. Do I have any advance? At $675,000 then. It's a car that we know well and it's a very beautiful car. Prudent cher avec moi? Est-ce que tu es sûr? On est à 675 000. Allez, fais 700. No? Well, we tried, as we say. At $675,000 then, if we're all done. 80 si tu veux. Bien sûr, 680. A small one if it helps, as they say, 680, 690 perhaps. 690. 690, Donnie. It's against you. I've got 680 in the room, 690,000. 600, est-ce que j'ai $700,000 maintenant? I've got 690. Do I have $700,000? The bid's on the telephone. Do I have any advance? At $690,000 then. Is there any advance for the Porsche 2.7 RS at $690,000? Prudent cher avec toi, bien sûr. Well, you're out then in front of me at $690,000. Then do I have 700,000 anywhere now? We're at 690. It's on the telephone. Thinking time. We're all done. All finished. At 690. I can't wait any longer, guys. Sorry. 700. Do I have 710? Do I have 710? At 700,000. Do I have 710? Telephones are coming through at $700,000. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at $700,000 now. Fair warning. If we're all done, all finished. At 715, he says. Do I have 730? Well, it's $715,000, which is a very interesting bid, I must say. I'm going to sell to the telephone at $715,000. It's going for the first time. I'm selling now at $720,000. Seated. Do I have $730,000 now, Donnie? I've got a new bidder in the room. 730. Thank you. 730. Do I have $740 now, sir? We're at $730,000. I think that sounds like a yes. You're both smiling, it's a good sign. You're even laughing now. Wow, this is really good. At $730,000, do I have $740? Well, I'm going to sell to the telephone $740,000. Do I have $750 now? We're at $740 on the aisle, selling to the room at $740,000. Do I have $750,000 now? Well, it's going right here in the room. Make absolutely no mistake. You're missing the car, and you're going to regret it. $750, he says. $760 now. You secretly quite like it when he bids, don't you? $755,000, he says. Do I have $760? I say he, I should say they, I apologize. At $755, sharing is caring. At $755,000, do I have $760,000 now? $765, they say. Why don't we give him a bit of his own medicine back and say $780? That would be good. We'll catch him off guard. At $765, I bet he's not expecting it. He certainly won't be expecting $800,000. That I can guarantee. At $765,000, but the choice is yours. I know you want it. Sorry? $785. Absolutely. What do you have to say to that, Donnie? Bring it on, as they say. At $785,000 in the room, do I have any advance? At $785,000, and I'm selling to the room. It's going, it's slipping away from you, Donnie. $800,000. The gentleman seating on the aisle is highly amused. Sir, let's have a chat. At this point in the proceedings, I would recommend, let me have a think. I mean, 900 would be a bit cheeky, wouldn't it? Why don't we just try a quick $10,000, sir? $810,000, he says. Do I have 820 now? We're at 810, do I have 820,000? No, he's out! At $810,000, and it's going for the first, second, third, and last time. Well done. Sold your RS, well done. $4,491. $4,491. $810,000. What a pleasant way to spend $810,000.